Hi, this is Mrs. Smith. We're going to take a look at locating and gathering information for our research project. We're going to start with our subscription databases, and those are located at www.myilibrary.org/Pike with a capital P. Once you get to this site, you'll see that we have a variety of databases uh, by topic. So you are going to choose a topic that is about social justice outside of the United States. I'm going to start with global issues in context. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to open up. If you ever have any trouble with login, and if it asks for a library card, type in Inspire123. INSPIRE123. If it asks for a username and password, in any of these databases, try Inspire123 as both username and password as well. Once we're in the database, we can type in our topic, type in genocide. You can see that we have some results and it tells us what genocide is. On this box to the right, you can see the different types of results. I'm going to choose a news article. I'm going to click on that. And we have 9,062 results, which is quite a few. So if you want to limit your search, you can go to the box and type something in. If you know a specific region you want to take a look at, you can do that. You can limit the search by basic, intermediate, or advanced. You can look down and do what subjects, maybe, if you have an idea of the subjects. Back up and you can look at them by document type. You could do publication title, paper sections. You can also do subjects and then limit the search within those results after you've gotten your specific subject. So I'm going to limit by subject. I'm going to go here to the Rwandan genocide. And if I look and skim and scan, I am going to go down to an article about the 24th anniversary of the Rwandan genocide. So I'm going to click on that, open that up. And it tells me where it came from, then when it was published. It also has the ability to read to you if you need to listen to that. Once I have skimmed through and taken a look and read and decided if this is something that I would like to use for my paper, I'm going to go down here to the source citation and copy this. And I'm going to take my citation that I have copied, and I like to have a Google Doc ready, so I will go over here and paste that in. I'm going to title this document Bibliography, just so that I don't amount of documents in my Google Drive. Now you notice when you brought it over that it did not come with its hanging indent. So what you can do is you can go up here. It's important, indentation is important for your citations. So I'm going to take the whole thing over. Got it all moved over, and then I'm just going to take this little bar back so I can have that top line, and then the rest has the hanging indent. So there is your citation. Go back to my article. If you find something in there that you think you might want to take a look at and investigate further, there is a really nice feature of highlighting. So if I go here, I can highlight that there. And then if I go down and possibly want to take some notes, I can do this. I could say that I wanted to look up information about President Paul, and so that will save. Once I have all that information, there are a variety of things I can do with this article. I can send it to the Google Drive, I can print, email, download. It's totally up to you. So I just have a few reminders. Don't forget to copy and paste your citations into your Google Doc. Keep those alphabetized as you go. Make sure you have your hanging indent and you have the font the same. Also, if you're logging in and having any trouble, you can come see Mr. Heck or myself, and we will be more than happy to help you.